Hi students, today's session I am going to explain balanced redox reaction in acidic medium, how to calculate. These points we have to remember. Now we are following the key points. So redox reaction, calculate acidic medium key points. Calculate acidic medium key points. So first key point I am going to explain the first key point. These are useful to balance the redox reaction in acidic medium. So first of all, first point, first write first one, first step we have to follow these steps we have to remember. First step, so first step, write first one, write skeleton ionic equation. Write skeleton ionic equation. First point, this is the first point. So by using oxidation numbers, so this they will give redox reaction in an equation form. So using oxidation number, this is the important step. So for calculating acidic medium, so oxidation, so they give chemical reaction, we have to divide two half reactions, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction. So oxidation means oxidation number increases from left to right or reactants to products. So reduction half reaction, oxidation number decreases from left to right or reactants to products by using oxidation number. Using oxidation number means so oxidation number increases from left to right or reactants to products. So reduction half reaction, so we got two half reactions. So the first one is oxidation half reaction, second one is reduction half reaction. So when the oxidation number decreases from left to right means that is a reduction half reaction. This is the important point to follow. Next one, balance other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Balance other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. So other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms we have to balance in the first step, or second step. Third one, balance oxygen atoms by adding water molecules. Balance oxygen atoms by adding water molecules to the deficient side. Balance O atoms, oxygen atoms by adding H2O molecule or water molecule to the deficient side. This is the third step. Next one, balance H atoms, hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions, to the deficient side. What students? Balance hydrogen atoms by adding hydrogen ions to the deficient side. Next step, balance charge. We have to balance the charge. So charge also important step. Now we go next, equalize the electrons. Equalize the electrons. So we got charge So equalize the electron. We got electrons. So then after, so electrons we have to add in oxidation half reaction. So oxidation means loss of electrons. Reduction means gain of electrons. Equalize the electrons. Equalize the electrons. We got two equations. Equalize the electrons. Now last point, students. Add two half reactions. Two half reactions. Add two half reactions. These are the important points. These are the key points to calculate acidic medium in redox reaction. What, students? First one, write skeleton ionic equation using oxidation numbers. So oxidation means when the number increases from left to right means oxidation half reaction or reactants to products. So second one, reduction half reaction. Oxidation number decreases from left to right means or reactants to products. That is the right skeleton ionic equation using oxidation number. So using oxidation number we have to follow these so two steps. These two notes anamata. This is first note, this one second note. First note this one, second note. Next point, balance other than oxygen hydrogen atoms. Third point, balance oxygen atoms by adding water molecule to the deficient side. Deficient side. Next, balance hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions to the deficient side. Next, balance charge. Equalize the electrons. Add the two half reaction. These are the key points to follow acidic medium while doing redox reaction. Okay, students. So please subscribe my channel. Please like.